Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Momentum question coming fast. Find the two-sphere system's total linear momentum right before collision by tracking which spheres move and using energy cleanly. Immediately before the collision, both spheres are moving, so the system's total linear momentum is the sum of their individual momenta, which means we need each sphere's speed right then. Since each sphere is released from height h, gravitational potential energy converts into kinetic energy, giving speed square root of 2gh for each sphere immediately before impact. Nice and clean. Therefore, total momentum equals m times root 2gh plus another m times root 2gh, which combines to 2m root 2gh, so option D wins. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush, trust given information, and check steps so the momentum sum stays consistent.